Let me tell you something that happened last week. My phone started blowing up with requests I never made from a city I never been to. I'm sitting there like approve or deny, approve or deny. Someone had my password and it was hammering my account, trying to see if I get annoyed by all the notification, and I just press approve. Something that I did not do. It's called push bombing, and it almost worked because your brain just wants the notification to stop. That's what I did. I deny every single one. Then I changed my password immediately. Not later, not after dinner, right there. Because here's the thing, if someone is sending you approved request, they already have your credentials. The only thing between them and your account is you not tapping yet. If this happens to you, deny everything. Change your password immediately. Check where your account is logged in and kill where the account is, like login that you don't recognize or you don't use anymore, just kill it. And if you're still using SMS as a two-factor, switch to an authenticator app today. This is not a hypothetical. This happened to me last week. Please like and subscribe if you really want security tips from somebody that deal with this. Thank you.